I'm frying onion and garlic in vegetable oil, frying them until the fragrance comes out. Ready to fry the diced potato. I sprinkle with a bit of rock salt, pepper, and garlic salt. Fry a potato for about 1 minute and ready to add the corned beef. Just mixing them together. I'm adding a little bit of beef broth. So this is okay now, and I'm just cooking for a few seconds. This is a very yummy, simple dish. So easy and quick to make. Then ready to serve. Of course, it's good to serve with rice. Hope you guys enjoy watching this simple recipe. Thanks for watching, everyone.